Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix post unavailable on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're seeing the issue that you are unable to see any post or see an error message that the post is unavailable, so let's see how can you fix that. So very first, there are some common reasons due to this error happens. So if the person or the poster which have made the post, if they had deleted the post or removed, so you are unable to see this post or you will get this type message. Or if you have blocked by someone and you're trying to see the post of that blocker, so you are not able to see that, you will get this type error also. If you're not blocked but you're still facing the same issue and the post has not been deleted, so it might be a technical issue. You can easily fix that by fixing your network. So very first thing is that you have to make sure that you have a strongest and stable network connection, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Then open your app store here or Play Store in your Android phone, and here you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, simply go back from here, and this time you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to try to make a force restart to fix manage glitches on your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, the press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, the press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so it might be that the privacy has been set it on that post. So if the person has set it the post to see only me, so you're unable to see that post. Or sometime it might be a server error, so you'll get the post up to 1 or 2 hours later. So in this way you cannot get the post if there any server error or the privacy has been set on the post. In this way